Motivation, 2 seconds. Motivation. Any motivation. What's your maswa? I'm down with it here. Now say, man, don't give up. Don't ever give up. They be a Makayo picture with the be a Makaimo. Don't ever give up as a young man. Don't ever give up. Girls will rebound Musha Minde and Kabuni Musha comes among permission and Nubi Nanutumbi where they winnie. Don't ever give up. You're a young man and they open new shut a BDP. There's something happening in town. You don't have the clothes to go. You have given up. You're a young man. You just want to go talk to some girl. You want some shirt. You are not don't give up. Nyame wo ho. Hweme minio. And the girls be briomotia. They hear my voice and suddenly no more for no. Mina minie and then them abedruha. It don't ever give up. This is life. For me your motivation. O your bana ho fa. For me your motivation. Akwama bot down. But munim the American. All right, yanko enim. Now, the president has said something today. Government to roll out new initiative where people will be employed and paid a monthly allowance to keep Ghana's beaches clean. I have traveled a lot around the world. So I'm for the president Taka. I say, a year now by way. Omo de hihye bi ba and ye beaches e wo Ghana no ye ba be fanko fo adwuma anopa ewia enwumre omo be pra beach ni nyina no efin bi e wo ho bia no I will say a pra. And I am shocked that this is even the time we are doing this. This should have been done like 20 years ago. I have traveled around a little bit. I travel a lot around the Caribbean. And every country you go, a tourist place, there are beaches, you know. The government or that particular state, the county, you know, they employ people to clean the beach. I remember at Amel's time, and I don't know why this simple thing is so difficult. This can create hundreds of jobs for people living along the beaches. We can tell ourselves to say, you know something, this particular job is going to be left for young people who have left free SHS and waiting for their results. And if you live in a beach area, now say, oh, your SS now will try your results. Now say, ebia, it will take this timer more special quota into your central region, Cape Coast. Okay, you better some other people to also work, but you're about 60% space for in Kwara Senior High School. Ebia results in Yamba, we are going to give you people that slots. Into Yafa Omomuso Fieno, near Fan Kwarano. And then every morning, look, the equipment they drive along the beaches around the world to clean the beaches. If the government wants me, I can buy, I'm contractor. I can buy 200 of them, share it in Ghana for the government to be cleaning the beaches with those, a simple, small machine you sit on, you drive it along the beach, and there are two people following and also clean. Give it this contract to somebody else. Mofamobi, it's too small for me. I don't even like it. Just, Mr. Minister, find somebody, find a Ghanaian and give this contract to that Ghanaian. Tell the Ghanaian, say, you want that machine. It's a small machine like a golf cart. It's very small. Buy like 200. The government should not even buy it. Tell interested parties that are ready to take this contract to present a proposal. Let them go buy the equipment and then share it along the beaches. Let them take that job. We will not see one single death on our beaches. It will be one of the cleanest beaches in Ghana. This is something we are supposed. If the president said the government is about to roll, right? And this year, where within 1 month, I was starting. This should even start before the Christmas festivities. This should start. Minimum contract to a day. And now there comes one topic because how many beach? Okay, I Lake Bosom Chiswo. Where the American comes for Shadam pet because you're in Hupo and you're poisum. But Lake Bosom Cho, Mr. President. Lake Bosom Cho, I don't know so you bet my proper in Tian and Nankasa. So this should be done even this. If we are not even going to get the machines or those little cars that drive along the beaches to clear the beaches, we can hire manual, nipper to walk along the beaches, to be cleaning the beaches every morning. So this should be done even before Christmas. A portal should be open. MMDCs are supposed to be given this job. They are supposed to open portals for people to apply. before December 20, before the second week of December, no, now you about 200 for every district. Hey, don't expect to be paid $10,000 a month. Don't expect to be paid 2,000 Ghana, 3,000 Ghana a month. No, this basically the number of people who do this job a part-time job. And this is not a job. Obabeka say me pese me koye juma we yentua me ka 3,000 a month. No, this is a part-time job. Into more part-time job here, you know. MMDC, local government are supposed to take care of this quickly, Mr. President. Tell the local government, beaches, let them start submitting a document. Let them open a portal. Let people start applying. Part-time. Tell them, this is how much we can pay. Can you do it? 6. Ebi mo 3 shifts. Ebi mo from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Omapon. Now a month about from 24-hour economy. The month we start. You can run 3 shifts by cleaning the beaches. And then you will have one of the most beautiful beaches in Africa. Let them run shifts. Early morning 6 to 8 for Baba. No when you're 12 to 2 for Baba. No when you're 4 to 6. That's it. The beaches are consistently being cleaned. That's all. So the 24-hour economy, no, spread it around the nation. Let every community, a beach, you patronize, give the job to the local government. Let the MMDCs take over this. Let the MCs start employing. Let them have the MMDC. They have a budget. They can and employ people. More NDC for now. For our constituency now. Mr. President, let the MMDC start employing the NDC for. We got abuofunu NDC ni ye adwuma no MPP ni wudi natem so mo power. The MMDCs employ the NDC young grassroots for no. Let them do this job, part-time job. They'll get something. Give them some money. Oh yeah, they when a man to create 1,000 Ghana and it's not bad. This is part-time. They all should be employed as part-time workers. Let them all start as casual. Let them start. At a point, no training fully. Then you start to enroll people as permanent. Then their salaries can be a stagnant salary. You bet me at your taxes. That is how we need to do it. So anyway, before Christmas, let's put this to work. Let this work. Let us showcase to the world that we have a 24-hour beach cleaning service in Ghana. Mr. President, this is easy. Let's not make this complicated. The local government should take over this. Central region. Yeah, in Ghana, you have about how many regions with beaches? Eastern, Central, Western, Greater Accra, and Aifa, Volta. 5 regions, right? These are all on the coast. Yes, Greater Accra, Volta, East, Western, Central, and Aifa. Is it 4 or 5? I think. Guys, help me. The Greater Accra has beaches. The Central region has beaches. The Volta region has beaches. The Western region has beaches. How many? How many regions? 4, right? Now, so for 4 regions. Mr. P. 4 regions. Now, 4 regions now for 100 or 400 people. And we are talking about administrators count. We are talking about supervisors count. And you end up employing about close to 1,000 people. Yes, because so okay say region Biakra over 100. You are going to pick administrators. You are going to pick supervisors. They also add up to it. Now, apart from that, you might pick 1 or 2 people into Ube when 1,000 people will be employed. And this is how we build a nation. If we want our beaches to be attractive, we want more tourists to come. Mr. President, this needs urgent attention. With all due respect, Mr. President, by Monday, you need to put out a statement to all the MMDCs that they need to open a portal for NDC4. I'm stressing on NDC4, or more these 4 regions that they should apply. They need to. All that they need now is for the local government, for the district assemblies to provide them with shovel, with wheelbarrows, and then with what brooms, long brooms, whatever, stickers. I don't know. These are basic equipment. Every MMDC can provide. You don't need $1 million budget for this. You need less than 10,000 cedis budget for that. So why are we sitting here? We don't need to have a cabinet meeting on this. We don't need to have a whole jamboree on this. This is supposed to be happening. This is supposed to start by next 2 weeks. Yes. And you'll be shocked to know the number of people who are just waiting for this to happen. Our beaches in the Greater Accra region look disgusting, man. Over Greater Accra region, all the beach fronts, restaurants and hotels. It's not attractive because beach is near time. Let us get people working to change the economy. This is a whole economy. You tap into it so much. Let us do this. Now, baby, restaurants, the MMDCs can have a negotiations with all these restaurants to tell them, as far as you have a restaurant, every month you are going to pay cleaning fee of this amount of money. You are paying to the districts. If you cannot pay, move your restaurant. Because you can't tell me that my restaurant there, we don't make trash. Somebody might eat something and drop it and the wind will blow it into the sea. You cannot guarantee that every single thing that drops, a paper, a note, you cannot guarantee that it will not leave your premises. So the MMDC should tell every restaurant along the beach, this is the new law. It does not matter where your land gets to or where your demarcation ends. Every beach front restaurant, hotel, you need to pay this money to the MMDCs. And the MMDCs can use the monies to pay these people. It's simple. The government doesn't have to go bring any money to do this. The government needs to be proactive. The government needs to put something on paper and be creative. Mr. President, the finance minister doesn't need to bring a budget for this. The MMDCs, 4 regions, they need to tell them, so we are 5-star hotel, we are 2-star hotel. As far as you have a property in front of this water, you will pay this. Brody Krum Sani, you know. It's a restaurant where tia, na restaurant where tia, restaurant where owner befrawaka just Mr. MDC. This restaurant omuntia and you have omoye. That is how it works. So let's get to work, Mr. President. I like this idea. I will keep speaking on it. My people in the central region, they need jobs. The MC of Cape Coast, stop being too busy and get to work. You are too busy for nothing. Now, this is another one. President Asakasa. $50 million has been allocated for procurement of outboard motors and fishing equipment. And President John Mahama echo a year. Thank you very much, Mr. I catch Ghana for say a ban we 50 million Ghana to outboard motors, omo koto, edia bois edi any fishing equipment, edia bois fishing our Ghana. You see, the way this government is slowly putting this country together, a puzzle. And so when you're smart, panel in intelligent, you will not see what John Mahama and the NDC they are doing. They are slowly and carefully sewing this country, weaving this country. They are intertwining the country. They are in pieces. They are joining this country. Every part of the nation, whether small scale businesses, large scale businesses, individual. The government is doing something unique. You might not have an idea because you have not paid attention. Okay? The John Mahama, you know. Andrew Amete said, na the Greek minister, Ekasa. You see, when we talk about even farmer service center, if this farmer service center alone, it will be a Juma 70%, the amount of food we will have in Ghana, Ghanaians will be shocked how cheap food will be in Ghana. The farmer service center now, Eric Opoku, to make sure say if the government is able to sustain it even just 50%, say a year juma 50%, I swear to God. Near to Kromha, yenya fisheries minister for 8 years. How a kumsin? They na all yenya say okojina epuano. How a kumsin? The yenya say otumi kofa ahemfo. Na wasesa ahemfo concert phobi. No di omochi akọ epuano say yekoto epum.
Why? 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 Why?
And the MPP. I'm telling you. You refuse and you way in me see. Hey, MPP for my Jimmy. Anytime I catch you say, hey, the MP NDC for a year. We should not take it for granted. 50 million Yerikoto outboard motors at Chama, Eddie Afra4, and other equipment. MPP new opportunity 8 years, Omobetu Wepum, our Kumsin, as a sign for being Dinichi. Yet now Chromo soaking Kwasiasem winning now. Yet now Ghana, yes, soaking Kwasiasem winning now. We didn't have any problem with it. How a Kumsin. And today, you get a government that comes and looks at the problem itself and say, we need to solve the problem. We need to equip the fishmongers. We need to equip omoko epono. And people tell me, say, Yansanko back nyanko fa MPP mra. Hey, Mire Krefi. How Akumsin, no a minister for the end. How Akumsin? But how Akumsin, team, I have how Akumsin's videos. I think, team, I have it on the system. How Akumsin? Yeah, the a whole ministry sharing and sa. Yes, so uncle dams, and the MPP. And then Kwasiafo in parliament say, Kojo Ponkruma Kekan Kwasiasem, omu ye 1,500 factories. Now factories in the wing, sa factories in the wing. Sa factories in Kamuya yanka MPP from Kwasiafo and Kwara Mudimuchi, Gomunya Jumanye. Kojo Ponkruma. Sa factories na mojina parliament ejimi mo ho a mo be ma story dendendin se mo sini bibi na mo keka nkwasiasem no sa factories na ekufo ado jimijimi no oja factories wo ho a anka nkwasiafo mo di machi a fanti comedy ni se obama poku asem ni sa ejimi fo mai anka mo nyina nkomo nya adwuma nya anka sa nkwasiafo mo di machi se omo ye bloggers ma mu yi anka mo nyina nkomo nya adwuma komo time mo di machi se mponche. You people think how Akumsin jimijimi we your man minister of special initiative yeah. Mamencho how come Yabusan say Sikari Adema was for sit dams no Sikano way Chamkwala Samo kind when it now.
There have been a lot of debates that the dam are not special SM. Exactly what you guys promised. What's
that was our promise. We said one village, one dam. We didn't say how do you call it? One Bui dam or one Akosubon dam for the village. We say one village. And when we talk about one village in a dam, my sister, we some of us know the kind of dam we're talking about. It's not the bigger type. It's for the people to use during drought. The animals will not go far so that people will steal them away or they will go and die on their way. Because if they are not getting water, definitely they will die. So you needed some water close to the village so that they can use for domestic. That's all.
You said it's not looking, it doesn't look.
I'm telling you the fact that NDC did, we're coming out with those pictures. Something that was not even as big as what we have done. And that's why I'm proud of myself, of what I'm doing. Because I have seen what they did And if you compare the two, you can see the difference.
So you are saying that these dams are exactly what you promised?
Yes. Then look at the cost, 250,000 Ghana cedi. 250,000 Ghana cedi. If you are constructing a meaningful dam, you don't need anything less than $3 million. $3 million, so not Ghana cedi. So if I'm constructing 250,000 Ghana dam, then what kind of dam are you expecting from me? I hope you're getting me. So that's the kind of dam we've promised the people. We didn't say we are going to construct the 3 million type or 6 million Ghana cedi, 10 million Ghana cedi type of dam for them. No. And this dam are being sponsored with the 1 million per constituency. What we were allocated with the 2018 is what we are using for. So definitely, if you with me, then at the end of the day, you're using the whole of the 1 million for one constituency, not one village.
So you are saying that if they wanted a huge dam or the bigger one,
Yeah.
it means that it will cost more.
It will cost more. And that one is not under my ministry, it's under the Ministry of Agric, because they are doing irrigation. They handle agric aspect of it. You understand? So that one is under the agric ministry. But this one is a special project for the people to use. And that's why it's under my ministry.
What gam da ne nusa jantre ni ogina kwapia. Kurasini. Dam no ba kumpo wen. Where one dam no hu ba kumpo Ghana. One of the dams did you see today these piglets? Omometna TikTok no Facebook say your dam na you see ye nie ye press conference or they should go to one of their dams and do press conference. 1 million per constituency require dam no way. Kwasiafo ya asa abomuti awohoro moto abegina say they are new people. Inti and then yenja bibia hwe a home minister. Gam danenum, chewing gam danenum, attack. Ochen yamusukro jantre ni. Ojina TV so gam danenum tata. Kwasiafo na yenyina ye remfisa anyoma we ni ensafa tumi mamo na mo de tumi ni koya abortion asam de koya den monka de mo pesam de tumi ni dam no we where are the dams Mahmudu Baomi akotena TV so radio so bebusa say Paulugu dam no $11 million o se wa ye ewen wani tinu kwale say imapra kuraba kura ye de koku imapra nyame nshira imapra oboase boase zongo on the ton the best cocoa in oboase imapra Baomi ni tinu kwale say imapra kura a ye de koku 7 o'clock anopa enkwasi asam nko ha and then in less than 1 year you run fisa ankwasi say wonya how akumsin let me show you anamomunim yes ye refi Mumusa say dam no way. Obejina gadget say 270 dams no musi no 3 northern regions. And they were about 80-85% completion. Kwasi asem we ni ye tena ho Ghana wo. Where are the dams? Ba omi on free stream. Onenam Ghana ye no say me etani me esremuni montumam no kwasi ampa you on free stream. Did he champion this? Did he lead this? Did he lead this as a northerner to make sure that Sremufo dam na mo promise 270 dams no sa 270 dams ni nyina no you see and can you show me one dam a MPP constructed ye nwan? These same foolish people calling themselves MPP, they came to meet Sada. Kind courtesy Azure kwasi ampanyi na nenim sa ayuwam. That foolish boy who is a snitch, a slimy liar, calling himself a journalist. Manase Azure, nenim tantan se ayuwam. courtesy Tenia Boasan, he went up there. He followed Gabi Ochedaku, took money, went up there and lied. They said, Sadano, and confirm it too. And confirm it too. Manase Azure, one of the most dangerous human beings on earth. Obano Wareko, Obane Yaso Wareno. Such a foolish fool. These are some of the people, Mama, a year akasrim, Manase Azure, Kodu Sima Kosia Budikuno. Sada was in the northern region. Sada had started. Near started see a dying. Some of them had started building their own small poultry farms, expecting in confirm in the form of eggs. They were building incubators for them to come carry the day-old chicks and go rear them. Manase Azure kwasia we sremunia bua omusremufo. He went all the way to Accra. On akamfo any chebi criminals for we no mo abamu ekotena to say let us go and lie. Manase Azure kwasia we be catch the Ghana for say in confirm na we sremune tu. Mahamudu Bawumia sremuni teni to say ono Mazori. Omo ba power and omo change sada din NDA Northern Development Authority. Sada na omo say na eguno. Sada na omo say na Mahama ediskano. Omo beto over 400 tricycles now they were supposed to supply to Sremufo omo de bekɔ afuom omo de bɛyɛ afforestation in no mudia Manase Azure ne kwasiampe yi Gabi Ochedaku. They lied to Ghana for say in confirm it. They came to power. Mahamudu Bawumia in the Timusa. He came to power. He changed Sada's name NON NDA and Samia Wuku upon Kroma. Omuko Srim, I did that scandal. Omuko to start tricycle on the brass antifo. Abobo ya bebrebe gwa santimemu any eastern region. NDA Sada tricycles. Samia Wuku kojo upon Kroma local government NGO said they carried everything. Some Bawumia Nyaba was in charge of NDA, which used to be Sada. And almost a sad tricycles in Abras and Timim no meche. And no muja Sada no man proye. Bawumia never came out to say, Mikro Muntafo, this is also something to change their lives. Yet Kroma Bawumia kache say, Wabesi hostel wakra. Na nini anomon kora ne wafa asefo no omon fa ka emfiri srem na omon tutoma no mom ran kran na we see hostel ama omo a mom madiremu nye kaya ye nkwasiafo. Are you people crazy? Na ekwametie ma sorry say me de tumi ma mom nkwasiafo we yetena kroma mo ye jamboree ka kire say Mahamudu Bawumia tani ba no a ofiri srem ofiri wale kurasini ba oso de bi o kurasini no onu bedru nkran no one ne yire na ne nsanka ne nan kana osori a wochi de nim se kotokraba fancy boy no. They came to Accra to build a hostel for who? The building they built, that hostel now mu see no kwasiafo MPP for na mu see hostel no se Bawumia na nanom ni nuanom ma san kwara mo we SS wo srem na omni opportunities no. You built the hostel for them to travel all the way from the north and come live in the hostels and become what Kaya is. Now such group of foolish idiots. Na me komete ha no muna fiki mutum banzani na mama chachem se yemfa tumi mamo. Mo jimi. Na musi hostel na musi amawan. Musi hostel no Accra no. Na musi hostel na amawan. Ema mutumi inaugurate commission ye ho party. Intafo nkwara ambetinem. We were in this country when the former Ashanti regional minister etna TV so telephone so ekache Ghana for say entafo ye moa omu firi sremba ye wo mo pande Bawumia ene ne nkwasiafo mo MPP mu nobody spoke. This is the former Ashanti regional minister.
Sa akamba ye wo ye sa yi beto platform so no akamba me kam wati isimfo mo ne Rollins na sha memu ase since 1981 to 2001. And tafo no mo Ghana and dear pan mo yemaslim for no. And tafo sikaya free rolling stamp. When it Muslim for ya na sign. Anya be simfo say na dia akunya nem yinu. Liman ene Mahama. Omu dia akunya dia no mo tema ya a Jabe Mahama to be in Islam war. 2001 no. 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 2001 wo akamba akosire wakodina okuro mu sire mu okuro mu sire mu yanka o se wo ya judge nka mo kankran sebi ntafo no fa ni mu nyansa munya sika ma be cast out mo fa gichire bu kuro na mo so le kuro ma tantantai esiremfo a maba south nyina se ne kom krom a ko pese o secretary di o se organizer dia a school for no gina na yenya baby na efiri titi ne esiremfo no apart from the goma for no mo sisi adam papa no e for the sisi adam papa bi amu jira ba nye o entafo se na di Ghana konwa Mahama bedi mfie na no sika on fa mo asiri mmiensa ne nyina no Mahama mfa sika no anka se on fa ko si hotel Dubai en confirm ne ade nya se tuko sika di ma se on fa mo asiri no the whole Ghana ye japade ye nya ne se fo na dis kana boa mo mo se fo na mo titi sire mo ho no asante mfante aye dokoko ene bro dokoko no asante fo ma se ne mo scholarship ne se fo man kwada mo school free na Dubai na why said no sisi interest obi atimi ko bi o akamba uja di san kwasasem no wo si ya judge oba ya ndel wo ye no siremu wo ba no mabeka nka mabeka kumase since 79 to 2001 no how many years 20 something years no na mo no runs esemfo no runs the boys kabe position be na nkutam je na mo ye siremu na mo se funu kwasasem a mo keka ze kufuado wonya de na emamo enta for the nyansa de mu hu bi da no wonya de na emamo enta for the nyansa de mu hu bi da no enta for the nyansa de mu hu bi da no enta for the nyansa de mu hu bi da no enta for the nyansa de mu hu bi da no akamba nya hu de o ya beto so edi nsafo wo so ada bi ekwa mo me kase mfu asem na asem na aba ka mo bakuma so anya emu du so ame ho aye ntete mo wo so ada bi ekwa mo me kase mfu asem na asem na aba ka mo bakuma so anya emu du so ame ho aye ntete mo ye wo mpane asem mo wura krum nkwa asem nsam fu amodie no bi ekwa mo me kase mfu asem na asem na aba ka mo bakuma so anya emu du so ame ho aye ntete mo ye wo mpane asem mo wura krum nkwa asem nsam fu amodie no bi ekwa mo me kase mfu asem na asem na aba ka mo bakuma so anya emu du so ame ho aye ntete mo ye wo mpane asem mo wura krum nkwa asem nsam fu amodie no mugaza ntafo de beso so bi ya to aba na se ntafo no to wasase mo akwa na moto odie no aka mbe to odi se nkura sesem no mo ba se asantefo ne di akonya so se ana aka afo ne di akonya so mfi aduonu baako ese je modi mfi aduonu so no ka Ghana nyina ka obia ye ka behwe ntafo mo so ade mo ana aseye no fam kwa sesem no se funi fro kwa me anwene ho bi e kwa mo me ka se mfu asem na asem na aba ka mo bakuma so anya emu du so ame ho aye ntete mo ye wo mpane asem mo wura krum nkwa sesem nsam fu amodie no mugaza ntafo de beso so bi ya to aba na se ntafo no to wasase mo akwa na moto odie no aka mbe to odi se nkura sesem no mo ba se asantefo ne di akonya so se ana aka afo ne di akonya so mfi aduonu baako ese je modi mfi aduonu so no ka Ghana nyina ka obia ye ka behwe ntafo mo so ade mo ana aseye no.
This is what the former Ashanti regional minister Ekan will radio so in the NPP era, during the NPP time in office. Okache say refi we nyina intende nipa 87 na more parliament no na afenyoma kigina hoteta no ho okaka tietie mu chem na hoteta no ho na mo gyense no ntie refi bibia ani ntina me se mu nsem for the NPP na pity you people mo entafo na muda ho di NPP echi no I pity you people mo ho ya me mobo mo entafo na mudi NPP echi nne no emu nkwara ene emu mpenifo I pity you hwe salakao hwe enkwasi adwuma omde ne ye hwe ne ho fin hwe ade omde ne ye ade a akania na oye chairman party ni chairman na oye akaniba at a point o se me nya adwuma ne biemu wana abashi adwuma ne ye as every day MPP for epetumi a omde ntafo nkwasiafo ni bi ne ye Hwɛ nkwasiade antafo ne party nim. Hwɛ nkwasiade antafo ne big party nim omoye. Hwɛ Salam Mustafa, hwɛ Kala Salakao, hwɛ San kwasiafo yi antafo no mo ka ho no. Every day omo no beso mo di nkwasiasem because MPP for na ka to omo tirim. Mombo mo homodin na ye hu mo. What in seme free akwara no baaye. O se ntafo edi mu free. Esire mu baaye bom panne ansa mo ne asantefo atena. But enya asantefo nyina na dwene saa. This is the party na omutimu no. Asantini onim nyansa nkasa sei. Asantini a odi mokodi nkyene enim se ohia ne nua ene na tena e wasundwe mu no. Asantini a ne ne bie onkasa sei. But oba MPP mu a emu asantefo no mu no omu agimi. And you see, I say this with all the happiness in my heart. The inner monkey in them. Massa. Internet. Share our parliament. Share akoya na asem da no so Australia ya okobo okroni ya so ye third day or the parliament jimi ni win. Tolong MP share. Omo petumi omo de ntafo de gitumi. And her party nim obi a ojimi bia etani. That is what they do. And they be all catching ntafo ni bia. Am just odi omatem. That is what the party have been doing. They have been doing this for years. This was a regional minister. Yetna kromo 8 years. Yanka bibia do bia ye din. Instead of these dogs to humble themselves and start respecting Ghanaians, they are still standing in parliament, still exhibiting the highest form of monkeyism. They think say they are humans than everyone. Mibusaba umia say, sa hostel na omu si ye na omu de ya campaign no mu sia ma hwan okosi hostel wo esi a cemetery. Osi osidi ye si hostel say kaya ye for ba be dem. Kaya ye for bang, and kaya ye for free. Munafiki, mutum banzani, you degrade your own people. Now we address shepe about the top powder and Namgana. Or no, Samira and Korane free you mobile, or Bessie hostel, ewa hamama bedem. Or no full and do it, Ah, o bunko for dangu on crying. Full and near waba crum, or bunko for dangu, and nibre bibia ope, or no Samira full anino. Or no, Obama Ninyonku Fula for Ababeda hostel mu. And we sit in Ghana and the whole political party, they fool themselves to this level. And when you speak up, they will tell you, where did you hinatem? Na Kevin Taylor did you be atem? Where did you asante hinatem? Mo MPP for mo Jimmy. Otum for 2 when Nuno Hoso Santini. I'm telling you people today. Otum for 72. Oshemu mubi, musubain, moneye. Nyombe be to me free monumuba. Send ye time. Nyome bia mo ye munya tumia. I need do some point and we nuno ho. The ano de chichine re say sikeja kofi. And no de chichine re. E to me do some time na numa so ya santini ba. And these are things you people know. Mo be say me press conference na mati ase. I will tell you every single day. Iti sankwasi dia MPP ba ye no a whole sada. Omo be change di ni ye na NDA. And their wafer. Omuche tricycles ninjina. Shovels, omuche ninjina. A whole documentary me yet tremo before elections. MP before we say any day. Very foolish people. Very foolish people. And the Omasala some president tedi. Omasala no druha. Ye domo. Mo mfante for de. Mo ye hunipa. Omo ya Omasala no do same. We are going to create jobs. Really. Enkwasi for mamu 8 solid years. You are still going to the north to tell them you create jobs. 10 iba. Teniba yama to me for 8 years. What about to Sada? We guno dam Paulugu dam we discano. Went to me a year there any significant thing. Went to me and see one school, one tertiary institution was slim, and they could for 8 years. When disikata abaimbia, you are still going back there to tell them so the president. Now who's it saying? For me, so much Jimiana, menana yana, and then I say for me, so much. They think they read more than you people. Mugwasia some ya come from you center for your mwana. You people underestimate the people up there. But you can't almost Ghana. Nyansania wording infant and wanna for any syllable for Ghana. Your history. If we are going to go into our history, those who basically put this country together, even fought. And yet domestic fight, tribe to tribe, they fought internationally. Ko Second World War near the addition for no move. These are people who have sacrificed from day one. And you people sit in the southern part of Ghana. Yania Kamfor, Ayamanakani, Yanin Kwasiafo, Yajinsa and Tafwe Jimmy. Every time when we want to me, power, we think we can use them. Because with them, when they say they love you, their level of commitment, we take advantage of them. So 10 years of dowa. The whole thing is nakume nyina odi duwechi. Enti moji nsamuko sirem na mama obi magi cube na or the appreciation at the door. Yeah, you start to run them down to so the mojimi. Look at somebody like Samuel Abujinapo. I went to Mole Park. I went through his constituency. He's done nothing there. There Samuel Abujinapo wo ni krum. There wo won cry. There wo won cry Samuel Abujinapo. He came to open the forest in Ghana. Go to his hometown. I passed through his hometown and I'm going to call Mole Park. I was shocked. A young man. Go and see the level, the high levels of poverty. Kwasia we shirt $20,000 shirt, $10,000 suit, or to parliament to cabrofo, none in call for nyansuo nom. Foolish people, stupid people. And your brothers, John Abujinapo, through John Mahama, he is going to build a university. A Jimmy Fourway ni aso. We take the loyalty of the Northerner for granted. Tituyania Santefoyania Kamfor. We take the Northerners, their loyalty. Sremni bibano ne akani betnape. Na sremni yi na kume say where the amene betnape no afa no so ya aboa. No atuni din. No I send the pets. Now we start to kan kwasi asam kire no all because they were born to be loyal. That is their nature. We Akans were born to be liars. Ya trufo ya nkanu kure. Ya pesemin kunya. These people were born to be loyal. Into Debriano ya woman so much me. They don't separate people from people. So almost a 10 ibu of funateni kwa no be so sisino. And we have lived with these people. You know matina classrooms. You know matina sorry them. You know matina in neighborhoods. You know ma worry. You know ma we know who they are. But we have consistently treated Sremu 40 so do munyenipa. Now Bawobia, you got one of the biggest opportunities to prove to Ghana for say, oh yeah, the ordinary 10 year way Jimmy. You came and you put the icing on the cake and say, only MP before Nama. Your Jimmyism is Jimmyization. No, Abasra Bedu baby are doing a mafia. Today, you are going back there to tell them, give me power. To do what? What kind of nonsense is that? There were MCO4 NDC mua almost support to Samuel Abujina Pomani we need the seat. Hey, mama me bufu a. There are people in the NDC. They supported Samuel Abujinapo to win that seat. There were people in the NDC because they think they have money. They supported Samuel Abujinapo to foolishly take that seat. Hey, mama nipa chargia. Also me, I compose myself and maintain myself all the time. Now mo press button bina me chargia. Mo sa ankwasi afuna mo MP NDC mu no. I want you people to help John Mahama to succeed. All that I need, if you decide to distract John Mahama's legacy, I will bring you down. It does not matter who you are. Me story, so I want to speak a little bit on it, and it was about my big brother Blakk Rasta, and it was about the Lightwave e-health solutions problems any issues about the health ministry ended a contract of Lightwave and a whole lot of things. At a point, accounts, when a government has contract with a company and the government is forced to extend the contract of the company a couple of times, then it means company are not fulfilling their parts of the promise or bargain. Because Oma are buying stipulated time, within 2 years. Now continuously, you keep extending the time because you are not meeting your deadline and you are not giving any tangible reason. Then the government has no option to say you are not ready to do what? To do the job. And Blakk Rasta is somebody I respect a lot. I've spoken to him a couple of times. I saw him speak on this, and for the first time, I took my time to listen to everything that he said. Or say the CEO of Lightwave, your friend Samson Jabba. sending a year text message between Ono Samson Jaba and the current health minister, Akando, and their relationship when Akando was in opposition, and even brought in the former health minister or chairman of the accounts committee, the Ghana Web owner, no guy, no say, Yen Jagalam saying that some doctor, Bernard Ayo said. Now, I heard Blakk Rasta read WhatsApp messages. He confirmed on his show, say, the Lightwave e-health solution CEO, no, and is sending those chats, confidential chats between himself and Akando when Akando wasn't the minister. And then in the chats, when Blakk Rasta was reading chats, no, you could see clearly say, there was nowhere in the chat where anybody bribed anybody to do anybody for anyone. Now, in the first place, what I want to tell my brother Blakk Rasta, and I say, we are looking at a contract that is a company, a private company signing a contract with the Republic of Ghana. Now, on the contract, the name on the contract is Lightwave e-health solutions. The Ghana government has an issue with the company. The Ghana government does not have an issue with an individual. And as journalists, sometimes, we might have our own personal issues or personal relationship with people. But the fact of the case is to say, whatever Jabba sent you, whether he was a friend to Akamba, when Akamba was in opposition today or tomorrow, we the people of Ghana, we don't really care about that. What we care about is the contract between the government of Ghana and Lightwave, the contract, what has happened? Has anything been done wrong? Because as I sit here, when I speak about Lightwave contract, it's the interest of Ghana and America. Lightwave is a company, a limited liability company that is making money. Because from the explanation from Blakk Rasta, and the way he was dwelling on a chat between the CEO and Akando in 2021, 2022, when Akando was on the committee, I don't care about that. And I don't think Blakk Rasta, you should care. You know the reason? Because today, if we say, Lightwave company at the Ghana 5 billion, this same Mr. Samson Jaba will tell you that it is not him, it is the company, and that nobody should hold him accountable. If we want our money, we should take Lightwave to court. So his relationship with Akando, 2021, 2022, so 100 billion ma Akando, so on Akando Edna sketchy deal bill. I don't care. What I care about is the government of Ghana has an issue with the company he basically works for. Because I think and I believe as a CEO of a company, he's paid. So we are not looking at this on personal or friendship level. We are looking at this on a national level because the government signed a contract with Lightwave. So whoever is the CEO of Lightwave, I don't care who he is. Whoever is a friend to Akando, when Akando was in opposition, whether CEO, deputy CEO, director of Lightwave, right now, it's a Lightwave the Eco Court, na omu demande for a judgment data. They'll be asking for judgment debt as Lightwave. They will not be asking for judgment debt as Samson Jaba. No, because Lightwave is a company. The relationship between Samson Jaba and Akando in the past, I don't care. If Samson Jaba feels that Akando has betrayed him and that Akando did not tell him the truth when Akando was in opposition, he as a learned person and with all the sophistication in a computer, I don't know, he can put his evidence together and sue Akando as an individual. So for Blakk Rasta, you to come and talk and make it look like we owe Samson Jagba an explanation, we don't. He might have his own issues with Akando privately. It is his problem. If he feels he has been betrayed by Akando, this guy can go to court. Akando is a public figure. He can take him to court. He can take his evidence. But as I speak now, Ghana government, we have a contract with Lightwave, and we demand that the monies that we pay them, they need to account for it. Because then Lightwave, Samson Jaba will not write a check in the name of Samson Jaba. He will write a check in the name of Lightwave because it's a company which he's part of. So sometimes when issues come and we are trying to deal with the matters, senior colleagues, let us put our emotions aside. Let us try and look at the issues realistically. Let us try and put aside our feelings for people, or feelings against people, or how we see people. Let us look at the thing realistically. If I was in the shoes of Akando, and somebody says that today I am the health minister, his company's contract has been cancelled, but 3-4 years ago, I used to chat with Akando. At the end of the day, the private relationship you had with Akando does not affect this contract, unless you want to prove to me that it affected your cancellation, and that you have the right to enter court to make us know that you have a case. But you cannot. We cannot just sit here and make it look like, say, because Akando Abeye minister ne, not Lightwave company that Samson Jagba is part of, they have lost the contract, you know, because he used to be his friend, we should carry Akando and dig a hole and kill him. It doesn't work like that. And I listened to your production, I listened to your editorial. You didn't accuse anybody of anything. But I feel, say, if it is Samson Jagba who is going around spreading this news, if he had come to me, I would have told him to go to court. Because if Jagba comes to me and tells me that, Kevin, I have this chat between me and Akando, and that Akando has betrayed me, I will ask Jagba, this conversation, private conversation with you and Akando, does it implicate Akando? Did he take money because of the contract? His role as the minister now, can that contract that you signed, does this conversation you had with him, does it affect that contract? Has there been any breach of law when he was in opposition? That is the question you ask the person first. But you don't go ahead and be like, you know what? Jagba has sent me a test between myself and the ex-girlfriends of Morgan and Yinano. You dated me before. We have a chat. So right now you have married and built 3 mansions. Because you dated me before, today, your mansion, I have a share in it. It doesn't work like that. So respectfully, I would like to tell Blakk Rasta, say, please, when Samson comes to you again, tell him that, Mr. Samson, as we speak today, you are part of a company that has a contract with Ghana. And Ghana, as we know, we are dealing with Lightwave. Your personal dealings, if Akando has betrayed you in any form or way, pile your evidence and go to court. Let us stop entertaining these people who, when they sign contract with Ghana and it goes wrong, they find ways and make it look like it's a personal thing. Whether you give Akando 5 billion or 10 billion, at the end of the day, how did it affect that contract because Akando was in opposition? Prove that in court. But as we know, the document that is out, Lightwave has not fulfilled its part of the contract with the government of Ghana. And that is what we are looking at as a professional journalist. That is what I'm looking at. I can't look beyond that. The relationship of the minister with somebody else, I don't care about the relationship unless the relationship affects the contract. And Jagba has not been able to prove that. If he has evidence to prove that, then he needs to provide that in court. Why are we making this complicated? Why are we entertaining things that we are not supposed to entertain? Our credibility is important. And you see the way I am analyzing and talking about this issue, it shows the level of respect I have for Blakk Rasta. I watched that show. I listened to him carefully. I felt to say, because at some point, I will show him, like I say, Samson Jagba actually sent him the screenshot, meaning you are in contact, you talk to Samson Jagba, he's your friend. Let's put friendship aside. There are so many people who have come to me, reported things to me, and I tell them that, guys, this is your personal issue, it's not a national issue. So we need to draw that line. Lightwave, Omni Ghana government has signed contract. Akando works for Ghana government. If Lightwave has an issue or they have an issue, they should sue the Ghana government. If Samson Jagba feels Akando has betrayed him in the past, he has every right to sue Akamba. Let's not complicate things. We are mixing 2 different things together here. We are. Let us not get things wrong. And with all due respect to my senior colleague, Blakk Rasta, please, let's keep this clean. Let's put our emotions aside. Let us look at the issues. Let us treat the issues the way we are supposed to treat it fairly. Ghanaians will understand the issues going on. We cannot make it, because when you look at the, thank you very much, Mr. S, for bringing this in. When you look at the document that was signed between the Ghana government and Lightwave, it is clear nobody's name is there. So, and the Lightwave at the Ghana $20 billion. I don't think Samson Jaguar will step out and say, I'm going to pay the 20 billion for my own savings. He's not going to do that. He's going to tell us that this money, it is Lightwave that owes the money. It is not or not Jaguar. When you look at the contract, this is what it says. Anamebwa, Ministry of Health, Ghana and MS Lightwave E-Health Solution Limited. So the contract is between Lightwave and Ghana, the ministry. So let us not make it about Akando and Samson Jaguar. Let's, please, Blakk. Let us not this whole thing between Akando and Samson Jaguar, they have relationship in the past. I don't care about the relationship. I don't really care about Akando. What I care about is this document, because this document is a legitimate document. It was signed on 29th of March 2019, and it's between Lightwave and the Ministry of Health. That is what I am looking at. I am looking at the love letter between Jaguar and Akando. It is their own problem. They are matured men. If they can't sort that out behind the scenes as matured men, they can end up in court. It's my back case. But as I speak now, what I am more concerned about is Lightwave, after signing the contract, did they, at the end of the day, fulfill their part of the agreement? That is the question. And as a journalist, I think that is where you have to be. That is where you need to stand. Those are the questions you need to pose. Relationship, friendship behind the contract, I don't care. Thank you very much, Blakk Rasta. This is simple and straightforward.